All right, these are the elevators here at the St. Augustine Visitor Information Center. Looks like we have Schindler HT. Looks like we're going to be waiting for a bit. Let's go up to 4. Buttons out. Man, this thing sucks. Why this is not Vandal resistant, I have no idea. Can we see the fort? Kinda. There's an old fort built in like the 1500s. That's a dirty button. Yikes. I am not gonna touch that. Is the other button any better? Yeah, the other button is better. Look at this. It's so yellowed out under the sun. This one's orange. Look at that. Ew. Shame on you, Schindler. There's an old fort over there. St. Augustine Beach is also over there. Here's our elevator. It's a good thing we get to ride the other one. ECI says 0306. And we're stopping at 3. We're gonna pick some people on the way up or down.
Okay. Kristen has many, so I got me. Well, hey.
See who it is.
I know. Wow. Looking up at you.
You go ahead.
Who is that? My dad.
So here it is. There it goes. Remember, these elevators should be VR. That's it.